Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this soft glam makeup look for Valentine's Day. It is super easy using all affordable products. So without further ado, let's get started and see how you can create this look. So first up, to prime my face, I'm using the Lakme Lumi cream. This is moisturizing yet highlighting as well. So I'm just applying it all over my face, and this is very moisturizing. I've done a detailed video on it. If you want, you can check it out. I'm just blending it all over my face. Now I like to use two different types of primers. So I'm using the Mars pore filling primer to fill out my pores, and I also use the Lumi cream to highlight my face. So I'm just using the pore filling primer wherever needed. Now I do have dark under eyes, so I'm using the Mars color corrector. Now here you need very little of it, do not need a lot of it. It is very pigmented, so I'm just applying it on my eyelids and on my dark circles so that it gets color corrected and my foundation looks even. I'm taking the Fit Me foundation, applying with a flat brush. The key here is to apply less, do not go overboard and apply just too much, and I'm just blending with a beauty blender. Next up, I'm using two concealers, the Fit Me one. This one is in the shade medium. I'm just applying it in the normal spots as you can see over here and blending with a beauty blender. And the next one, which is the Swiss Beauty concealer, I use that as a highlighting concealer for my under eyes. This gives like a concealed yet highlighted effect on my under eyes, and it just looks really good. I've been following this technique very recently, and I've been loving it a lot. And as you can see, my under eyes and my eyes don't look like discolored, or it doesn't look gray or discolored or some patchy. So for my powder, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics compact powder and just applying it on my under eyes and wherever I have oily zones. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow, taking this orange shade. I'm just using on my crease and my outer corner. Using windshield wiper motions, I'm just blending it out like that. Next up, I'm taking this dark maroon kind of a shade and just applying only on my outer corner of my eye in a V format so that it creates like a ombre effect. Next, I'm taking this shimmer shade from the same palette and applying it all over my lid using this flat brush. Just applying it on my inner corners, then taking an angled brush, applying it on my lower lashes. Now I have the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, which I'm using on my lashes. I haven't really using a lashes, and for my blush I'm using the Sugar blush. This is the mini blush available. It's not too pink, which is what I love about it. For my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold. Since this look is pretty like cool toned, I'm using that. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Nude Nuance Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lip and just finishing this look off. Now one thing went wrong with this look was that I applied the Sugar highlighting spray on my face, and there were specks of gold on my face, but other than that, I feel like I really love the look. It gives a little bit of highlighting sheen, although I don't really love the Sugar spray that much, but other than that, this looks really good. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.